Very good morning, children. So, as we have discussed a concept of general form of a two-digit number yesterday, so we are going to continue our exercise 2.4 starting with third problem. So, as this is something which is related to the discussion which we did yesterday, try to recollect the same so that it will be easy for you to get the solution. First, try to understand the question. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits. Here this point is very much important. Sum of the digits. So you know what is the general form of a two-digit number? As we have discussed yesterday, it is 10x plus y. Okay. So the general form of a two-digit number is 10x plus y. Now look, in this 10x plus y, this 10 is place value. As I told, this 10 is not a number. It indicates place value. Whereas this x is a digit and y is a digit in ones place. Okay. So this x and y are the digits, whereas 10 is the place value. Now look, sum of the digits means what we have to take? We have to take only x and y. You should not take 10x plus y. Hope you are clear. This is very important point for this concept. So we have to take the digits as x and y only. Now look, so 10x plus y, they give sum of the digits. Or else let us write like this, so it will be easy for us. So let the, because as we have a original new number, let us take it as a original number. Let the original number be, let the original two-digit number you write. Let the original two-digit number be 10x plus y. 10x plus y. Now, by the problem, that means as per the information given in the problem, they told sum of the digits. Digits here are x and y. They clearly told it is sum. That means x plus y is equal to how much it is? 9. Please understand this carefully. Sum of the digits is given as 9. So through this, can I write y as 9 minus x? Yes. Because if we transpose this plus x to the other side with plus sign, as you know, if there is no sign, we'll take it as plus. So plus x, if we transpose to the other side, it will become minus x. So now, therefore, the original number is equal to, see, what is the original number? 10x plus y. So 10x, in place of y, can I write 9 minus x? Yes, because we got the value of y as 9 minus x. So this gives us the first point. Now let us continue reading. When we interchange the digits, if the number is going to be 10x plus y, interchange means what it will happen? 10x plus y will become 10y plus x. Okay, then the new number is equal to, after interchange will be equal to, look, 10x plus 9 minus x is the original two-digit number. If we interchange the digits means what it will happen? In place of x, we'll get 9 minus x, and in place of 9 minus x, we'll get x. I am repeating same again. this 10 is a place value and it don't have any relation with x. This is 10 is place value, x is digit. We are interchanging digits only, hence 10 will be in the same place. Hope you are clear. So the original number, if it is going to be 10x plus 9 minus x, the new number will be 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Now let us continue the question. When we interchange the digits, it is found that resulting new number is, what is the new number? 10 into 9 minus x plus x is equal to, is greater than the original number by 27. What is the original number? 10x plus 9 minus x. How much it is greater? Greater means plus 27. Okay. Now using this, so number by 27 we are here. What is the 2-digit number? They are asking what is the original number they are asking. Now look, here we have a equation, linear equation with variable x. Now let us solve this. 10 into 9, 90 minus 10 into x, 10x. So first number into the first term of the binomial. 10 into 9, 90, minus comes as it is until and unless minus is there for this. So 10 into x is 10x, plus x is as it is. Here also 10x plus 9 minus x plus 27. Okay. So if being the like terms, minus 10x plus x minus 9x is equal to 10x minus x. Being the like terms, we can run the binary operation. 10x minus x is 9x plus 9 plus 27 plus 36. Now look, so keep the 90 as it is here. Bring this plus 36 this side. It will become minus 36 is equal to, we already have 9x here, minus 9x. If we transpose to the other side, it will become plus 9x. Okay. Now 90 minus 36 is, okay, just to manage the space I am writing here, you copy down to this only. 90 minus 36 is 54. 90 minus 36 is equal to 9x plus 9x is 18x, or just for the convenience sake we can write 18x is equal to 54. Okay, 18x is equal to 54. We want only the value of x, then x is equal to 54 by 18. Okay, 54 by 18. In 18 table we can get 54 at 3. So x is equal to 3 now. We got the value of x as 3. Now, what is the 2-digit number? Therefore, the 2-digit number is equal to, therefore the 2-digit number is, look, what is the 2-digit number which is the original one? 10x plus 9 minus x. Now we have the value of x substituted here. So 10 into x value is 3 plus 9 minus x value is 3. So 10 into 3 is 30. 30 plus 9 minus 3, 6. That is equal to 36. Therefore, the original number that we have to get through this question is 36. See, again I am repeating, being the important problem, please look at the board carefully. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So as we don't know the number, we are taking the general form of a 2-digit number as 10x plus y. As I am saying again and again, this 10 is not a number, it is a place value. Okay. So y is in 1's place and x is in 10's place. Now look, by the problem they told sum of the 2 digits only, not the place values. Hence we took x plus y is equal to 9. Now from this I want only the value of y. Hence I transposed this plus x to the other side, which gave me minus x. Now this y is equal to 9 minus x. I am substituting in place of y. Hence the original number is going to be 10x. 10x comes as it is, plus in place of y we are going to keep 9 minus x. Now in the next statement what they told, when we interchange the digits, only digits are going to be interchanged, not the place values. So when the digits are interchanged, the new number is going to be 10 into, in place of x 9 minus x came, plus in place of 9 minus x we got x. Now look, so after interchanging, what happened is, it is found that the resulting new number, what is the new number? 10 into 9 minus x plus x is greater than the original number by 27. Original number is this one. So 10x plus 9 minus x plus 27. So resolved for the value of x and we got the value of x as 3. And lastly what happened? They asked us what is the 2-digit number. We took the 2-digit number as 10x plus 9 minus x. So 10x plus 9 minus x. We have the value of x as 3. Keeping x as 3. 10 into 3 plus 9 minus 3. 10 into 3 is 30 plus 9 minus 3 is 6. So the 2-digit number is going to be x. Okay. So copy it nicely. Now I am moving to the next problem. Please follow carefully. So now the fourth one, it is just like the third one and based on the same concept. Look, one of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So one of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number. Okay. Now look, one of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number. Just like the previous one, let the original number be, let the 2-digit number be okay, 10x plus y. So what are the, this is the 2-digit number. What are the 2 digits in this 2-digit number? X and y. This x and y are the digits. 10 is the place value. So x and y. Now look, one of the 2 digits of one of the means, for example, if we take x, that means if the digit in tens place is x, if the digit in tens place is going to be x, then the digit in ones place will be 3 times the other digit, 3 times the, then the digit in ones place, the digits in ones place is 3 times, means 3 into x, that is 3x. Okay. If the digit in tens place is x, then the digit in ones place will be 3x. Therefore, the original number is equal to, 10x. So as we are taking the digit in tens place as x, x will come as it is, plus y should be replaced with 3x. Hope you are clear now. So 10x plus 3x is the original number. Now let us continue the question. If you interchange the digits, please be careful, this 10 is only the place value and not the number. So if we interchange the digits, what is going to happen? Let us see. Okay, the number after interchange, the new number after interchange is equal to, look, so tens being a place value, 10 will come as it is, into what is the digit in ones place? 3x. So it will come here because we are interchanging the digits, plus this x being the digit in tens place will come here, x. So that is equal to 10 into 3x, 30x plus x. Though the terms are like terms, don't add them, just wait. Now let us continue reading. If you interchange the digits, this 2-digit number, and add the resulting number is this thing only, isn't it? Now by the problem, 30x plus x, that means this is the number which we got after interchange. Add the resulting number to the original number. Add. So plus. So for this new number, they are asking us to add the original number, that is 10x plus 3x. You will get 88. They are asking what is the new number. Now look. Being all the terms of like terms, 30 plus 1, 31, plus 10, 41, 41 plus 3, 44x is equal to 88. Where we actually want only x. X is equal to 88 by 44. 44 2s. We got the value of x as 2. Okay. Now they are asking us what is the original number. Therefore, the original number is equal to what is the original number form? 10x plus 3x. That means 10 into 2 plus 3 into 2. 10 into 2, 20. 20 plus 6, that is equal to 26 is the original number. Hope you are quite clear with this concept. Tomorrow we are just moving to the next concept, which is age related problems using linear equations. So please copy third question and fourth question into your CW, and the homework I will notify, that is okay, page number 30, example 14. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll go with the new questions. Have a great day.